Chayla, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a reset video because I went out of town for the last few days, and typically once I come back from out of town, I like to reset my life, reset my space, and my room is a complete mess and it gives me an excuse to clean. So that's what we're doing for today. It is already 10:51. I got up at around 7 and I actually took some Instagram pictures for the day because it's supposed to be around like 100 degrees here in Raleigh. I'm not about that. So I was like, why not get up early, take pictures at around 8-9 o'clock when it's like 80 degrees. So that's what we did. Now we're home and I need to clean up a little bit before we go out. Starting with my vanity. This is where like I do my makeup. I like to get ready. I like to do like whatever over here, film. And this space is really not that messy. It's just like my hair rods, makeup, a lot of knickknacks that need to be moved. So let's go ahead and do that first and then we'll do some unpacking.
New shoes, new move. I don't want the fake love on dailies. Like the way you touch, don't you play me. Want the kind that burns but that saves me. New groove, new rules. Every night feels deeper, it's crazy. I don't feel the pressure, no lately. As soon as you come around, I feel.
I brought my iPad with me to Georgia. I don't really use my iPad, only when I'm like watching videos and I don't want to bring out my laptop, but I really want to get back into using my iPad more for content creation. I don't know, maybe make thumbnails on it or something. Fun fact, I used to edit all of my YouTube videos on my iPad. So this is like a full circle moment, but I don't know. So I might see what I could actually do with it. I do have a keyboard with it. Real official. Now that my dresser looks pretty good, I need to put away all my clothes in this hamper. I washed my clothes before I went to Georgia, but I never put my clothes away. My least favorite part. So let's go ahead and empty up this clothes basket.
As soon as you come around, I feel elevation. I need you to stay, I'll be by your side. We ain't got no time to waste. Girl, I'm not here to play you all night. So whenever you pull up, just show me love. I just know you got, baby. You never felt to keep me satisfied.
Happy Sunday, you guys. We are going to finish off our reset by running some errands and getting ready for next week because we are going back to work. Not that excited, but we need to turn around. So we need to go do some grocery shopping. We might go to Kohl's to return some Amazon packages. I'm going out for my mom's birthday because today's her birthday, so happy birthday. And other than that, I don't know what else I'm doing, but I do need to take my arm weights off because your girl's been working out. I woke up at like 8 o'clock. By 9 o'clock, I already did my at-home workout. If you didn't know, I am taking up jump rope, so I did that today. I don't know how people work out in the morning, like before getting their day started, because I am actually exhausted. I decided to change my top and put on this necklace. I just felt like this color worked a lot better. I love these shorts. My mom hates them, but I think they're a vibe. I don't know. I think they're so cute. It's so hot in here. Out here. I said in here. Ooh. This matches my shorts. Cute. Okay, thank you. Cute. What's this before? Alright, we'll go to... Here it is! I just got back home. We went out to dinner for my mom's birthday. We went to a place called Lucky 32. And yeah, that was the vibe. But now I'm just about to wind down. I think I have a little bit of promotion stuff I need to do for my YouTube video, and I might edit a little and just chill, decompress, because I have work in the morning and I've not been to work since, what, last Tuesday was the last day of work. We gotta do what we gotta do. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's reset video. Subscribe to my channel down below, like and comment, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye guys!